Hello everyone, let's see how to crochet fishtail braid. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. Just 1 and 2. That's it. Now see, this first stitch we are going to skip it. And in second stitch we will make 1 single crochet stitch. That's it. In second stitch we will just make 1 single crochet stitch and we will skip first stitch after the current loop on the needle. Now our fishtail braid starts. How we are going to crochet that? We will have 2 loops on a needle. One is the current loop and one is first loop which comes after current loop. See, what is current loop on the needle, and here comes the first loop which comes after the current loop on the needle. Grab the yarn, pull through from both of the loops. Repeat. See, current loop is on your needle and first loop, insert your needle in that also. So like you have 2 loops on the needle, grab the yarn and pull through from both of them. Go on doing that. That's it. It's quite simple. I have tried to show you like quite slow demonstration I'm giving you. So I won't disturb you anymore. Just learn from the video. This is how our crochet fishtail braid look like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. If you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.